I will say that because this unit's job, I had the big vesting games, they're really slow. They started getting really slower than expected, so I dropped hours. So right now, I'm looking for a new job.
Okay.
It's kind of caused me some issues.
I might be able to help you there too. All right. So before you leave the building, just tell anybody down at the counter you want to talk to Mr. Taylor about possible job openings. He wears a lot of hats. One of his job duties is he kind of keeps track of area employers that are looking for like starting unskilled labor. You don't have to be, any skilled labor, but they're always looking for people to hire. So go see what he's got on his list. All right. Anything else before I sentence you? All right. I'm ordering 4 days on the court work program as an alternative to jail. You'll pick which 4 days you schedule. You'll do that down at the counter as well. Fines and costs total $500. That money's due today, but if you don't have $500 today, go down to the counter and talk about options there. Got it? Good luck. Yasmin Robinson? Ms. Robinson, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? It looks like you made a deal with the prosecutor. You're going to plead responsible to double parking. And a September 29, 25 misdemeanor would be dismissed, correct? And you've agreed to pay $150. And can you pay that today? I'm going to send you downstairs to get a smile out of that cashier and send you on your way. Misdemeanor will be dismissed. Any questions? You're all set. Thanks. Marcus, what's the last name? Nor, that's an N? Come on up. Mr. Norwood, are you going forward today without benefit of an attorney?
Yes, sir.
All right. And you met with the prosecutor. The prosecutor says you're going to plead guilty to the added charge of no valid operator's license on person, and the 2 original charges from August 31 will be dismissed. Is that your deal? Did you read your rights form? Understood that? Understand all the options those forms give you, or those rights give you? You understand the possible penalty for no valid operator's license on person? And understanding that, you're pleading guilty to the charge. Freely and voluntarily?
Free.
On that date, did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township?
Yes.
Was your license suspended or revoked at that time? I'll accept your plea and dismiss the 2 original charges. What's the status of your license now?
Currently suspended. But
What do you have to do? What do you have to do to get it straightened out?
I already took the beginning steps. I just have to wait till December before I get reinstated.
All right, so you're just waiting for a suspension period to run, then you pay your $125 reinstatement and you're good to go. Awesome. Where are you working?
Division 9 School Quick Services and no violation.
Pre-services?
Division 9 Stony Creek Services.
What does that do? What do they do?
Who's the Google work? It's a union. It's like construction work, but
Okay, all right, all right. So your the contractor just hire your crew for whatever job he's got that day. All right. Keeping you busy?
oh, sure.
40 hours plus? Good, good. All right, anything else you want me to know before I sentence you?
No.
All right. You're living in Livonia. All right, so generally speaking, on this type of a file, I'm going to order 4 days on the court work program. That's an alternative to jail. We run the program Monday through Friday. We have very, very limited Saturdays, like they're months out right now. If I order 4 days on the work program, can you do those 4 days, or is that going to cause you problems on the job? You pick the days.
And there's no weekends. It's only
Very, very few. I'm still trying to get that worked out to get more weekends, but I'm having trouble. Just tell me, guy. I'm not going to cost you your job to do this. I'll give you another option then. All right. Is there anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you? All right. Is that whistling noise in my head, or is there like a wind sound? Oh, yeah.
running.
Oh, thank you. I was afraid the hole had opened. I was afraid the hole had opened up again. All right, Mr. Norwood, fines and costs on this file, $500. I'm ordering 30 hours charity work instead of the 4 days on the court work program. That means you just hook up with any charity. You can do that Sundays, Saturdays, evenings, any nonprofit, church, soup kitchen, Salvation Army. go downstairs and you can get a list of organizations in our area that are pre-approved, if that'll help you, but any nonprofit registered with the IRS. Got that? The $500, can you pay it today? Talk down at the counter. They'll tell you what your options are on that. Any questions?
Okay.
Good luck. Good luck with that license. All right, Patton. I'll pull the file. Who's that?
Jones.
Jones?
This one hasn't been filed, so that.
I'll get that one.
Thank you.
Mr. Bitar, why don't you come up with Mr. Patton while I pull files?
Yes, sir.
Adams, Amos, what is that?
Alessio Jones. Thank you.
Good morning. Your appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Dave Lutzer on behalf of Joshua Patton.
All right, Mr. Patton, did you discuss your rights with Mr. Bitar?
Yes.
Understand those rights and the options they give you? And do you understand the possible penalty for the charge? And are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? All right. Mr. Bitar, why don't you give me the facts I need? Incident date I'm showing is September 28th.
Mr. Patton, on that date, at that time, we located in the state of Michigan. Did you go into your neighbor's home? Or you did not have permission to get that? Correct. You should have been there, correct? Correct. Satisfied.
So am I. All right. You know if the neighbor's here? We got to complain it? All right. Miss Manarino, can you talk?
Yes, Judge.
Good morning.
Morning.
On the patent trespassing case, is the complainant here and
No,
or
Your-
want to talk?
Your Honor, she is not. I spoke with her on Thursday.
Okay,
and Where we crafted the terms were from her.
okay. All right, thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Patton, are you working? Where do you work?
BDS Solutions.
What do they solve?
Brand ambassador work for Snapdragon.
All right, how long have you been with the company?
About a week now.
Oh, new job. Where'd you work before that?
Amazon.
All right, how long with Amazon?
Only about
Okay, is this a full-time job? Okay, all right, anything else I should know before I set terms?
Josh, 28 years old. He has a high school degree from Belleville in 2015.
Oh, local guy.
Bachelor's from Kentucky State University. Unfortunately, he was having an episode the night before. He's currently under doctor's care.
Good, good.
Today, Your Honor. So he's progressing, taking his medication, everything is good.
Okay. All right, anything else you want to add? All right, what's your degree in?
Here's how.
You getting to use it with his new job?
Yeah.
All right. All right. Fines and costs, $500. I'll delay sentence for 9 months. For 9 months, stay out of trouble, no new criminal offenses. And I'm ordering 30 hours community service or charity work. I want those hours documented, completed and documented by January 1, 26. Any questions about how that works? Can you pay the 500 today?
No.
All right, go downstairs and find out what the options are there. Good luck.
Should you also talk to someone about the community service while I'm down there, Jeff?
They can give them a list of our pre-approved, but any charity, church, soup kitchen, Salvation Army, any IRS registered nonprofit. But we've got a long list down there if you want a little leg up on finding somebody.
Thank you. All right, let's get that.
Ms. Jones, come on up.
Thank you, Joe.
Good morning. Are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? You've met with the prosecutor. It says here that you're going to plead responsible to careless driving and the misdemeanor charge from September 12 would be dismissed, correct? You understand your rights and options? And that's the way you want to resolve this today, correct? All right. I will accept your plea to the civil infraction. I'll dismiss the misdemeanor. Are you working? Where do you work? How long have you been there? Okay. Thank you. All right, fines and costs on the civil infraction, $300. Can you pay that today? If you go downstairs, cashier will take your money with a smile and will send you on your way. The misdemeanor is dismissed. Have a lovely day. Stephen, is it Rayford or Rafford? Rayford, come on up. Mr. Rayford, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? Do you understand your rights and the options those rights give you? Do you understand the possible penalty for this added charge of allowing?
Yeah.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to the added charge? Did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied on September 29, 25? I'll accept your plea. What is the status of your license today? Still suspended or straightened out?
It's valid.
Valid, legal. You can drive without looking over your shoulder. Awesome, awesome. Are you working? Where do you work? How long you been there?
2.5 years.
All right. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you?
Yeah, I didn't know my life was good. I arrangement. I'm busy. I got paid tomorrow.
Congratulations.
Just being so busy, I forgot to make a payment.
All right. So you were on a payment plan,
Yeah.
missed a payment, so they suspended you. And by the time,
Paid it all up, right?
yeah, yeah. And I'm gonna guess that you got a notice, but it was probably after you got this ticket. Yeah. All right. But that court's paid off?
We didn't pay it off. But driving before I did.
All right. All right. Fines and costs on that one, $250. Can you pay that today?
Can I get to that right now?
Go downstairs and they'll tell you what your options are. Right at the counter.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Is that Gonzalez?
Yes.
Gonzalez. Good morning, counsel.
Hey, Judge, how are you?
Good. I haven't seen you in a long time.
You just don't help me anymore.
Yeah. Well, I don't send you the files. Yeah.
I think that's really the problem.
How are you? Yeah. I'm doing very well. Thank you. Go ahead and put your appearance on.
Recall something happened, Ms. Gonzalez, read this.
Good morning. Okay. And, okay, so we're going to take a plea to allowing, and then both the charges from September 2nd will be dismissed, correct? All right. Ms. Gonzalez, have you discussed with your attorney your rights and options? And you understood all that? You understand the possible penalty for this added charge today? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? Did you, in fact, drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township on September 2nd while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied? Mr. Collis, are you satisfied with that plea? So am I. I'll dismiss both the original charges. Tell me about your client before I sentence.
My client is obviously a young lady. She has a deep sight vision problem, and the Secretary of State suspended because she didn't get it on time.
Ah,
So
you had to jump through a hoop that you didn't jump through fast enough. Have you jumped through it now? So you're legal on the road? Good, go ahead.
and that's just it. So it's a timing issue. It's not something that she would normally do.
Yeah.
Rather embarrassed and scared of it. Right?
Okay. And are you working? Where do you work? Okay. How long you been at Taco Bell? Okay, all right. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you? No magic answer. I just giving you a chance to talk.
Well, the one guy I did take the car, it was because I had to get to school and missing hours is like a really big thing and
Right.
it's like a lot, and I have to pay extra hours that I.
All right. Yeah, so not only were you driving when you shouldn't have been, you were driving too fast because you were afraid of missing school. Yeah. All right, anything else? All right, $250. Can you pay it today? Go downstairs and take care of that at the counter. Have a nice day. Good luck in school. Good to see you. Sure, sure. How's business?
Where do you hear that? I haven't made that decision. Seriously? Like, no. Well, I'll have 30 years in this game. Well, it flies with me. Thanks. Oh, I can go over time, but I decide what one. You think 3 years down, well, it's 2 years now, it's 28, but, you know, I can change her 2 years, so. He's a ski bum. No, that's basically what he was doing. He bought a little house on the lake that needed a lot of work. So when it's not ski season out west, he's putzing on his house. I'm not kidding you. It's true. I saw him. This is well over a year, but I just happened to run into my restaurant in Belleville. He introduced me to his girlfriend, his new girlfriend and her parents. I'm talking to him. I walked out here. I walked out in the conference with my wife. I said, Dave.
Hello.
We hated this shot. We hated this shot. And I told him when he first got in the country, I said, Dave, if you can't figure out a way to life this job better, get the hell out. Dave, here's what I used to tell him. And I love them. Out of people. The law was my entry to working with people. Dave loved the law. Didn't like people. I told him, I said, Dave, you belong to one of the peoples. This is a people's. Either get yourself some counseling if you don't want to find a job here, or get the hell out because it's bad for you. Well, look what did. He was miserable and happy. And you know, after you do what you do and what I used to do, this is like part-time work. I don't care how busy the you know, you couldn't go back to what practice after being here for long. He was miserable. I'm not kidding you, man. If you, I swear, if you saw him, you'd think, man, that guy looks like Dave Eric's doppelganger, but he's smiling, looks happy, night and day. Night. Tina and I tried to talk him into, you know, he said, you don't want to practice the law. And that's okay, but, you know, with your skills, you could write, you know, take it for doing research and writing. He's like, I want nothing to do with working. And, you know, he was always single, well, he married for a little while, but I mean, he had good money. He was tired than hell. And he said, I don't have to work. And he skis. He'll go to a resort and he'll ski for a week. He'll go somewhere else, ski for a week or two. Conditions are good, he'll stay longer. If not, he'll move on to the next one. He just bounces around. Happy as a freaking. Yeah.
You debating running again, circular just time. That's kind of what I'm thinking, you know, I want it. What your goals from the last time? Never him one for me. So, you know, I do love.
Yeah.
Figure out right.
Yeah.
And you know, that's probably that's like a body. You know,
And it's tough. It's tough.
the army will go take it and say, and it's stupid, but that's what I'm trying to do.
Well, if you decide to do it again, good luck.
Yeah, thank you.
It's so good to be back.
Demisha, is it Gavant? Come on up. Ms. Gavant, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? You made a deal with the prosecutor, correct? Says here that you're going to plead guilty to allowing an unauthorized driver to operate your vehicle, correct? You understand the possible penalty for that charge? And if I accept that plea, which I'm almost sure to do, then I'll dismiss both the original charges that were issued to you. And you've read your rights form. You understood those rights, did you? Understand the options that go along with all those rights? And understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to the added charge? I'm going to put it on the drove while license not valid. So on September 13, 2025, did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township? And at that time, was there something wrong with your driver's license? What was the issue? You were suspended. All right. I will accept your plea to the added charge. I'll dismiss all three of the original charges in keeping with your agreement with the prosecutor. What's the status of your license now? Awesome. Valid again. Good for you. Are you working?
Yeah, I don't get that.
All right.
I want to tell him.
All right. When you leave, well, somebody does.
I've been fine these.
Somebody does. Yeah. 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 I've got a young guy I've been dealing with since I knew his mom when he was a little boy, and I've been dealing with him for decades. And I remember he was in here, he always getting in trouble with stupid stuff. And he was in here one day. And I was giving him a hard time because he didn't have a job. And finally he said, Judge, the problem is if I tell them about my record, they won't hire me. And if I don't tell them about my record, they'll hire me. And sooner or later they find out and they come to me and fire me. So here's what I tell people all the time. And I was thinking the other day, it sounds bad when I say this, but I love construction trades. That's my dad was a builder. I worked construction to put myself through school, but it sounds like I'm denigrating that field. I'm not. In my experience, the trades, they don't care what your record is. If you'll show up, work your butt off, be there on time, if you do all that kind of stuff, they need somebody today. They don't care what you did 10 years ago, right? So try to hook up with a contractor. You're not real big, but roofer, construction guys, road work. I mean, there's women in all those positions now. But that's the long-term goal, right? Because you get in with a good company like that and you got a home. So in the short term, what I want you to do before you get out of here is I want you to go downstairs and just go up to the counter. You're looking for Avery Taylor, tall, bald, black guy, good look. He's the best dressed guy in the building every day. All right. He's the guy you want to talk to about a job because he knows the people around our companies around our area that are hiring. He knows who they are. He keeps track of that stuff. So he might be able to help you find a job right now while you're looking for that career thing. Okay. All right. Now let's get back to business. Is there anything you want me to know before I sentence you today? Yeah. No, you're getting it together. You got to get a job. But you got your license. Yeah. Well, now you can get to the job. Right. Right. Good for you. All right. Nothing else?
No.
All right. I'm going to give you a little break on the money because I like your smile. I'm going to order 4 days on the court work program. That's an alternative to jail. So, well, actually, Mr. Taylor's where you're going to sign up for that. Mr. Taylor's right in that area. So just I think you'll be talking to Vanessa, but tell her you need to talk to Mr. Taylor about a job. Sign up for those 4 days right away. Bang them out because if you get a chance to get a job, you don't want to say, but I can't go start work yet because. So bang your 4 days on the work program out. Fines and costs are $400. Did you bring $400? Then downstairs at the counter, talk about options on that. Questions? Good luck to you. You're welcome. Ms. Ray, are you there?
I am.
Activate a camera, please.
Hello.
Oh, this is Trovis?
Yeah,
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't catch it. All right. I'm sorry, Miss Ray. I lost your attorney. He was in the courtroom. He's out. Oh, there he is. There he is. Go ahead, Mr. Starr.
Trovia Star on behalf of Ms. Ray. Ms. Ray, could you state your name for me, please?
Ariana Ray.
Thank you, Your Honor. We've come to a resolution here whereby the plate ticket will be dismissed, the speeding ticket will be reduced to double parking, and the driving while license suspended will be reduced to no operator's license on person. I did explain to her the charges, the original charges and the maximum possible penalties, as well as the reduced charges and its maximum possible penalty as well, and her rights.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Starr, the only thing is I'm not going to take a plea on double parking. I'll charge her a little bit more money on the no ops, and that's one less file that Heather has to do dispositions on. Understood?
Understood.
All right, Ms. Ray, to you, it's the same thing. We're going to get in your pocket a little heavier. It's just one less file that we have to do paperwork on. Understood?
Yes.
All right. So did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Starr today?
I did.
Understood all those?
Yes.
And do you understand the possible penalty for the no valid operator license on person charge?
Yes.
All right. And counsel, did you talk to her about the fact that there might be a resuspension period?
Yes, but that shouldn't occur here because her license is not indefinitely suspended.
All right. And understanding all of these things, Ms. Ray, are you pleading guilty to the added charge today freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
All right. Did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township on September 16, 2025?
Yes, I did.
Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied?
Yes.
I'll accept your plea. What should I know before I sentence Ms. Ray, Mr. Starr?
She believes the reason why her license is suspended is because of a no insurance ticket that's in default that she needs to pay.
All right.
We ask that you be lenient with fines and costs.
Okay. And that file's not with us, is that correct, Ms. Ray? That's some other court?
Yes, it's Washington County.
Thank you. Good luck with them. Are you working?
No, I am not.
All right. When's the last time you had a job?
Right before I had my baby, 2
Okay.
years ago.
All right. So you're a stay-at-home mom.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Anything else you want me to know before I sentence you?
No.
Bless you. All right. Ms. Ray, I'm going to order $700 fines and costs and 4 days on the court work program. The 4 days on the work program are assessed as an alternative to jail. You pick which days you work. You pick your own schedule on that. All right. This money's due today. I'm going to give you 5 days to either pay the money or make arrangements to get it paid. So you can either come in person or you can contact us through our website to schedule your days and set up your payments. Understood?
Yes.
All right. Good luck.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Kozakowski.
Good morning, I'm Greg House on behalf of Jacob Kozakowski.
I know you, don't I? Were you on my juvenile program?
No, Jason does not.
Okay. What's your relationship? Okay. How's he doing?
I haven't spoken to him in 2 years.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Earlier today, Dad, he could walk his own. I just left the hospital not so long ago. The house said, Dad was thinking,
Yeah.
it was complete chaos. He could walk his own.
Good luck. Good luck. All right, counsel, your appearance.
Good morning. All times, P 36431, as against the connected best guys.
All right. And I've got a plea. All right, Mr. Kozakowski, did you discuss your rights with counsel?
Yes, sir.
Understand those rights and the options those rights give you? And
I'm sorry, guys, we're gonna ask for a no contest. It occurred way back in January of this year, and there's some lack of recollection, but we would stipulate that the police report as.
Okay. All right. Do you have an incident report? All right, find it because I don't have one. Yeah. All right, sir, do you understand that when you plead no contest, you're literally saying, Judge, I'm not fighting the charge? All right, so if I can find facts in the incident report that support the plea, I'll accept the plea to impaired and I'll dismiss the original charge and then we'll go to sentencing. You understand all that?
Yes.
All right. And understanding all of that, you're pleading no contest freely and voluntarily today. Is that correct? All right, give me a chance to review the report.
Attorney, no attorney.
Oh, no.
Okay. Is she here? Yeah. She's in the courtroom.
All right, I have read the incident report I'm assuming you've read it as well, Mr. Bohannes. I believe it supports the plea. Do you agree? Would you give that back to Mr. Bohannes?
In addition, my client is a veteran, he's like, trying to apply for veteran support if that's.
Which one?
Okay, I think that's the closest.
Okay, all right. So yeah, let me take the plea. I'll send you down to probation. Actually, we'll just set up a review date. Just set up an in-house review date. How much time do you think you need to get with Southgate, see if they'll take you in?
All right, 3 weeks.
Let's give us a date sometime. First part of December, maybe, make sure we have plenty of time.
Yes.
For the PSI.
Uh,
I can just set a review date on our December 18th date, and then we'll know
December 18th,
December 4th would be.
4th or 18th, council?
We do the 18th round.
Sure. What time, Heather?
We can do 9 a.m.
So Your Honor, he is accepted to the,
Well, you know what? Go downstairs and talk to my probation department. I'm gonna guess that Southgate will want us to do the PSI and sentencing here and just sentence them to their program.
yeah, I believe that's.
Yeah, so if that's the case, we'll probably want to get a PSI set up before December 18th. Actually, no, let's just do this. Let's just go down to probation. Let's forget about that December 18th. Schedule a PSI sentencing. Let them know that your goal is to be in the sobriety court. So we might have to adjourn a sentencing date once or twice until we figure out whether or not you're going to stay here or we're going to send you there. But I think that's probably the most efficient way to move things along.
I appreciate that. Thank you so much. You and your staff have a great day.
You as well. And bond is continued, sir.
Thank you so much. Kevin.
You're welcome. Mr. Bitar, Pitts, Gary Pitts.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daniel Bitar, yes. Yes, he said, better.
We don't need this on the record.
It's not better.
It's been kicking around long enough now. There's been no problems. We'll just get him a notice. Just have a seat. We'll give you a notice to come back on that date. Got it? All right. David Yates.
Mr. Yates should be on Zoom. He had transportation issues.
Are you looking for Yates? Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll bring him in.
Thank you. Mr. Yates,
Yes, I'm here.
good morning, counsel.
Good
morning.
At this time, Mr. Yates is going to bail himself to the plea whereby he pleading to an amended charge of failing to report an accident.
Mr. Yates, did you discuss your rights and options with counsel?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
You understood all those?
Yes, I did.
All right. Do you understand the possible penalty for fail to report?
I didn't go over that,
Up to 90 days in jail, up to $500 fines plus court costs.
We explained to Mr. Yates that this is 0 points, non-abstractable, as opposed to your original charge of 6 points that does go on your record.
Yes, okay.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty today?
Yes, I just, it's not gonna, I'm not gonna have anything on my record, correct?
Like we talked about, that's correct, Mr. Yates.
Okay, yeah, all right, thank you.
On February 15, 2024, did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township?
Yes, I did.
At that time, were you involved in a motor vehicle accident?
Yes, I was.
Did you report that accident as required by law?
No, I didn't.
Are you satisfied?
That's right, Your Honor.
I'll accept the added charge, dismiss the original charge. What should I know about Mr. Yates before I sentence him?
Mr. Yates, Your Honor, had a situation where him and the other person talked. He thought that after they talked, they were all good, they were in agreement. Obviously, the other person really.
Yeah.
Your Honor, he understands what he needs to do and what his obligations are. It's not gonna happen again.
All right. Mr. Yates, anything you want to add to that?
No, I don't, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Yates, fines and costs on this file, $400. We'll apply your bond of $150 That leaves a balance. Can you pay the balance today or do you need time?
Yeah, I'm gonna need time.
All right. You can either come in within the next 5 days or go on our website within the next 5 days, but the money is due within 5, or we have to have a plan in place within 5. Understood?
Yes.
Questions?
No.
Have a good day.
You as well. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep. Everybody take care.
Wells?
Critically non-attack, without two cities, she don't make cities, being that these both, then I was kind of with the real stuff. Typically, she one charge of disorderly conduct, the matter would be taken under advisement under 77111 for a period of 6 months.
Thank you. Mr. Wells, do you understand your rights and options after discussing those with counsel? And do you understand the possible penalty for the charge? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to this charge freely and voluntarily? And would you voir dire
Thank you.
March 2nd, 2025?
On March 2nd, 2025, you were in your township, is that correct? Yes, sir. So you had an occasion to make contact with police on that day, correct? Yes, sir. Police stopped to investigate, because you were following somebody who had wrecked your car, correct? Yes, sir. And when the police were asking you questions, you were responding back very loudly as to why they were stopping you, is that correct? Yes, sir. And your response and you being loud, your loud exchange with the police was disorderly, is that correct? Yes, sir. And there was other people who had gathered because of you being loud and disorderly, is that correct? And I'm satisfied.
So am I. I'll accept the plea. What should I know about Mr. Wells before I sentence him?
Your Honor, Mr. Wells, understand that that situation, Your Honor, could have been handled better. He was in a fight with the significant other who had left the vehicle, following her slowly to make sure that she would be safe and trying to convince her to come back in the car. Your Honor, and due to the high emotions he had during that situation, when the police came, emotions were still high. He understands he should have handled the situation better.
All right. Are you working?
I was, but I got fired because this stuff came up on my record when I got.
Where were you working?
Top job, just
What do they do? Temp service?
driving, vehicles, a lot of.
All right. And how long did you have the job?
About a year.
Okay. All right. So off topic a little bit. Before you get out of the building, make sure you talk to Mr. Avery Taylor downstairs. If you're looking for work, he might have some options for you. He keeps a list of job openings in our area and you're a local guy. Okay? You're welcome. All right. Anything else before I sentence you? All right. I'll delay sentence on this for 6 months. During that time period, you stay out of trouble, no new charges. Court costs are assessed in the amount of $300 and I'm ordering 2 days on the court work program as an alternative to jail. Can you pay the $300 today?
No,
Go down to the counter. You're going to do 3 things at that counter. Find out what your options are on payment, schedule your work days, 2 days, and talk to him about a job. Same place at the counter. All right. Good luck to you. You're welcome. McFarland.
Yeah, there, she's on Zoom.
And I respectfully sandwich line. He sticks to a takes a period out of Mr. McFarland. Right, this time Mr. McFarland will be taking this matter. She will be paying as charged to motions. She's going to be taken under advisement under 771.1 for a period of 9 months.
All right. Ms. McFarland, can you hear us all right?
Yes, sir.
All right. You understand your rights and options after discussing those with Mr. Jadala?
Yes.
You understand the possible penalty for this charge?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to that charge today?
Yes.
Council incident date shows July 3rd, 25, if you would do the voir dire.
Mr. McFarland, on July 3rd, 2025, reached out to certain family members via phone. Is that correct?
I'm sorry.
You reached out to certain family members via phone on July 3rd of 2025. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
You did it multiple times where it became a form of kind of harassing. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And that was in Van Buren Township is where the person was, or you were there, correct?
Yes, sir.
I'm satisfied with the court.
All right, so am I. What should I know about Ms. McFarland before I sentence?
This is a family situation where custody was being kind of going back and forth with family members. You remember, she understands that that wasn't the way to handle the situation. She's gone through CPS, she's gone through CPS, she's learned better mechanisms on how.
Good.
So I believe this, you will not be seeing this McFarland.
Good. Ms. McFarland, are you working?
I just recently lost my job,
Where are
but
you working?
yes, McDonald's,
All right, how long had you been there?
over a year.
Okay, you got anything lined up?
I'm placing things now.
Okay, all right. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you?
No.
All right, I will delay sentence for 9 months. During that time period, you stay out of trouble, no new criminal offenses. Court costs are assessed in the amount of $400, and I'm ordering 3 days on the court work program as an alternative to jail. You pick those days, you schedule them yourself. I'm also ordering no contact with the complainants or their family members, as per the plea agreement with the prosecutor. Can you pay the
Okay.
400 today, or do you need options?
Options.
All right, so within 5 days, you need to be here in person to get scheduled on the work days and set up some kind of payment plan, or have that taken care of through the internet within 5 days. So you can go to our website or come in. It's going to be a lot easier on you if you can get a ride to the court to do it in person. Understood?
Yes.
Questions?
No.
Good luck. Ms. Humphreys, you stay right there. We're going to adjourn this matter. We'll get you a written notice and then we'll get you out of here. All right. And 12/18 was the date.
12/18, I mean, the Thursday, 12/18, that's the same on Mr. Fairchild also.
That'll work.
That's, you guys, you're right here, they're gonna give you a court dates in your hand.
All right, Mr. Fairchild, looks like you owe us $294 on a retail fraud case. You know about that one? No, I'm sorry. On a drive without due care and caution civil infraction.
See?
Civil infraction. Looks like it was out of Romulus. Okay, well, check downstairs. They can give you, well, actually, you can give me some information. What can you tell me? Yeah, wait a minute. We'll put you in the computer and see what we can tell you. McFarland. Or Fairchild, I'm sorry, Fairchild. Danny Ray.
$294 drove without due care and caution, that one.
Yeah. Date?
294, it's from April of this year.
Where was it at?
In Romulus.
What time?
It was
Location?
at 1 o'clock in the morning.
Location? Location? Did that show you that?
No.
All right, so it was 1 o'clock in the morning, April this year, drove without due care and caution, which usually means you hit something. Not always, but usually means you bumped into, came up, hit somebody in the back while you're sitting in traffic or something like that. You remember that one? Yeah, that's all I'm telling you to do is get something on paper on it. All right, do that today before you leave. Okay, we'll get you a notice on this other one. What's new, Angela? Good. You're here for the trial tomorrow?
Oh, yeah, mock trial, yeah.
Good.
Mock trial, yeah.
Yeah, those are in two different locations in your brain. Yeah. Hey, do you know if Tony's in today?
Tony Grant? Yes, I saw that.
Did you hear his dad died?
That is father-in-law, he told me the details.
Still sucks.
Terrible. They found him down.
Been there for a while.
He had agreement points. The daughter happened to be good. I told him that's a tough way to do it. He lost his wife 9 months ago. He said he was kind of just.
Well, I just got that text this morning that one of my old man buddies died last night. Same thing. We buried his wife. My buddy Chuck that we buried, his mother was this guy's wife. So.
It's.
Yeah, and the older we get, the more of those people we have. I told somebody a couple of weeks ago, I was at a funeral home, I said, we don't run into each other at weddings anymore. We run into each other at funerals.
being your child, selection of these, your state, so, St. Louis, St. Louis. That, I didn't know. You working on your brain, you don't. 30 days.
So you, are you, I came up to see how many got from there.
Oh my gosh, yes.
This is the guy who's moved on.
That's nice.
He's just standing there waiting for her to come up to.
Just waiting for a video.
She's got feeding these dudes. Look, she's in the bottle.
So is this somebody you know?
Yeah.
And then the dogs are just, okay, I'm out. I'm on the water. To go get.
And, you know, I'm not going to get her, yeah. Thurman? Wow, Thurman?
Thank you.
Is that a TU or an FU? Terman or firm? TU. Good morning, counsel. Your appearance while I look for the file.
Good morning, Your Honor. Trouble we start on behalf of Mr. Turner. Mr. Turner,
Get a term.
Got you, Mr. Terman.
we come to the resolution here today whereby the driving while license suspended it's a person operating no vehicle and the civil infraction we reduced the double.
Yeah.
They go over the right, the possibilities, and all the
All right. Same thing as the last one. I'm not gonna process the civil infraction. I'm just gonna charge you more on the misdemeanor. So instead of processing 2 files, which means just paperwork for her, I'm just gonna charge you a little bit more money on the allowing a licensed driver instead of charging you more on a double parking. Understood? I'm getting you in your pocket the same. It's just less work for us. Got it? All right. Did you discuss your rights and options with counsel? Understood those? You understand the possible penalty for the added charge? Understanding the possible penalty and understanding all your rights and options, are you in fact pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to that? Counsel, August 30th, right? All right. Yeah. So on that date, did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept your plea. Thank you. What's the status of your license now, Mr. Terman?
currently it's revoked.
What's he got to do?
He has to have the hearing again with Secretary of State. Now,
Right.
here's the thing. He's had a couple hearings with Secretary of State
Right.
where he's gotten the restricted license.
Yeah.
Well, one of those hearings, well, one of those situations, something happened, malfunction with the device. And of course, they would have scheduled another hearing,
Back to square one.
square one, but he was going through a divorce.
Yeah.
He didn't get that notice.
Yeah.
And he missed it and then.
Yeah.
Revoked his license.
Look, I've been doing this a long time, so I'm going to give you some advice. Hire an attorney. Not just any attorney. You got to hire an attorney that does those license restorations because they know the ins and outs. They'll know based on the hearing officer what you got to have to show them when you get there. It's expensive, but how much time have you lost now without your license? Yeah, and that's costing, right? So seriously, talk to a licensed restoration expert. I think you'll be money ahead. You'll be money ahead. All right, so back to business. Are you working?
Well,
Where were you working?
see that.
Okay. All right. How long had you been there? Oh, damn. Anything happening? Anything in the works? Job wise.
Like, he looking for a new job, he gets some lined up.
Oh, he's looking for work. You don't work 13 years if you don't want to work. Yeah. So you're looking for a job. What do you got? Anything in the hopper? All right. Without a driver's license, do you have reliable transportation? Do you got family member, a friend or something that can get you around?
Father, dad, here, you have inventory of things.
Yeah. Damn. Yeah, you can't afford not to have your license. All right, well, first thing I'm thinking is go downstairs, make sure you talk to Avery Taylor. Mr. Taylor can tell you some companies in this area that are looking for work right now. So it might not be the job you want, but get a job, get some money coming in if you can. All right. Man, sucks because no bus lines. Because while you're off work, I'd like to give you some work days instead of money. Instead of fines and costs, I'll give you more work days, but you got to be here that days. And that means dad's got to get you here at 8 o'clock in the morning for a bunch of days.
You know, if you assess fines and costs, how much would that total be?
Well, if I'm gonna hit him extra for the double parking, it's usually $700. Plus I usually order work program or community service, which is all transportation problems. I'll tell you what, how about we do this? Why don't I give you a sentencing date? I won't sentence you today. I'll take your plea. I'll set a sentencing date like sometime in December. Just see if your situation's, because right now your situation's kind of smelly, right? Hopefully you're in a better situation in September. We can talk.
So you cut the work program, how much would it cost?
If I just did defines of cost today, because of your circumstance, how bad things are, and I don't want to kick you when you're down, it'd be $700 and I'll give you some kind of payment plan. You want to just do that and just bite the bullet and do that? All right.
He has 185.
All right, well, good. That'll apply. The 180 will apply. You got 180 on the civil infraction, so that'll apply towards the 700. All right. But I know it's money, but man, you gotta find the scratch to hire an attorney to get your license straight. All right. So I'm not gonna say anything here about that bond. Just put that in that file. You're gonna say apply to this file.
Yep.
All right. So go downstairs and they'll tell you what your options are as far as payment plans and so on and so forth. And don't forget, talk to Mr. Taylor and see if he's got any job opportunities that sound like they might work for you. Good luck.
Take care, appreciate it.
Just in the chair.
You're welcome.
Last name's Frazier.
Frazier. Miss Frazier, stay where you're at. We're gonna get you a notice for this new date.
Frazier, I think see my name. Absolutely. You are cheaper, right? You let it do it. You did it.
You as well.
He said that there's only like 3 people.
And I got a whole box full of files. What was your last one, Scott?
9:30, then we have a 10:45 formal,
10:45.
or sorry, 11:05. Cause seeing, but we don't know. Huh.
Yeah. This guy told me, this case is in warrant status, is with the airport prosecutor. With,
What? Is that person here?
yeah, he's here,
What's his name?
Shamar Jordan. SCHAMAR.
He has a Van Buren case,
Today, the lawyer driving license suspended.
and then his airport is not in warrant status anymore. It's scheduled for November 3rd.
Oh, it's not in warrant status.
Nope,
Scheduled for November 3rd. Zoom or in person?
it's by Zoom.
Zoom, okay, November 3rd in person.
Yes.
In the morning?
Yep, 10:30, wait a minute, sorry. 8 o'clock in the morning.
Okay.
Alright.
Can we adjourn, Teresa Cassini?
Oh, really?
Well, because I missed a digit on her address. And so it came back to me on Saturday.
Oh,
So I need to re-email this. But can we do it on the November 6th?
yeah, I didn't.
Yeah, no, I just, because.
Last name?
When I got, start with Katie, Jennifer,
You want me to? Do a sheet for it, or?
If you don't.
Oh, really?
It's okay before.
it's just an adjournment, Judge. No, actually, it's a final pretrial witnesses to appear. I don't know if that people said that on this program.
Angela, just, so you know, I didn't mail out notice, so if she showed, we don't know, but.
Oh, well, then let's wait and see.
We're gonna go to the 18th, Samir.
Who is this starting with?
Kroger. What time you want to do this final pretrial on the 18th? 9 o'clock?
They're gonna give you that, what they write on this paper.
Thank you.
Is Jadala helping?
I'm sorry?
Is Mr. Jadala helping do the MIDC stuff now?
He was, yeah, he's been,
Because he brought in all of his own,
I don't know, but I know he's working.
That's good, okay.
Almost. So full.
That's really, it is, and what yesterday, and I really thought this was 700.
What's he got going? What's he saying?
Or he has like water. The TV is
Short rope.
I don't think he's a smart.
My wife been on offer.
He looked at her.
Oh, no. Not sure.
He's a thing. Oh, that.
No, they-
I don't consider so cheap. But. Oh.
No worries for him, right? Fourth date is December 18th, same building, same floor. You guys have take care. Yes. Right. Here, there's the Saturday stuff.
I'm gonna go grab.
So we got this our last one, or we got one more? I think there's like two more, seven, like two more.
I can go grab.
Last is Jordan.
Jordan. No, I haven't.
Is that Shamar Jordan?
Yes. It was handwritten, I think.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wasn't understanding. What they said? Good morning, Trophy is sorry, asked Mr. Gordon State name. Good morning,
Good morning.
Thank you, we've come to a resolution here where about license suspended will be allowed the suspended person to operate. I did advise of Mr. Jordan to back the possibility things rights.
Thank you. Mr. Jordan, did you discuss those rights and options? You understand all that?
Yes.
You understand the possible penalty for the added charge?
Yes.
And you're pleading guilty to the added charge today? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily? Did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township on September 28, 21? At that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? All right. I'll accept your plea. I'll dismiss the original charge. What should I know about Mr. Jordan before I sentence?
Yes, so, his license is good now.
Awesome.
He has a valid license now. He's here, he came here today, because this was not on docket. He came here today because he has an airport case. And he's trying to work for the airport.
Okay,
They told him that case was in warrant status.
okay. Okay,
It
what's the
wasn't-
charge?
It's no longer in warrant status.
It's a disorderly person.
What's the date of the incident? 20?
Oh, wait a minute.
Maybe.
Hey, Heather, or hey, Angela.
January 25th of 20.
Yeah, it's old.
We have it scheduled for November 3rd, which is all.
But he's scheduled to work Saturday, but the job told him, you gotta clear up that warrant.
Right. Oh, the warrant's cleared up.
Warrant's clear.
We cleared that up when we gave you a court date.
So, like, I say this to them, I'm being good, they told me.
I don't know what you just pointed at.
I'm sorry, I'm not saying good.
If you take them the notice we're gonna give you to come back on that airport case, that's, if they know anything, that'll be clear that you don't have an active warrant.
Okay.
All right, what else could we give you?
Nothing.
Yeah, I don't know how,
I think you were in.
here's what I'm thinking though. Miss Manarino has a real good working relationship with the prosecutor for the airport. If she can get a hold of him, she'll probably plea that thing right now. And you won't have to come back November 3rd. Well, I'm trying to ask her, but she's not on Zoom. Yeah, go ask her. Ask her. It's a possibility. I'm not saying it's gonna happen, but it's a possibility. I'll just set the file aside. Just have a seat. Take your paperwork, have a seat. Mitchell?
Start 397, still in 86, appearing on behalf of Ms. Mitchell's approaching. Your Honor, at this time, Ms. Mitchell will be pleaded to an amended charge of allowing an unlicensed drive. So one, you've been here, thank you.
Oh,
Go to the hallway, sorry.
I'm sorry.
Jeez.
Hold on just a minute. What's your name again? All right. He's got a chance to get a job at the airport. He's got a 2020 disorderly from the airport. We lifted the warrant, but instead of having to come back in November, which will probably screw up the new job, would you be willing to talk to Mr. Menon and see if maybe you can get a hold of him and maybe we could take care of that file today?
Oh, thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Manarino. I'm sorry, ma'am. All right, I'm sorry, counsel. Go ahead.
To an amended charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive to the attorney, for Van Buren has agreed to, set aside the default
I see that.
insurance ticket and dismiss the pursuant to
All right. Ma'am, did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Jadala? You understand those rights and the options they give you?
So she is suspended on the insurance one, though, we can include that in this.
I don't understand what you mean, to include it.
We're setting aside the default and dismissing, she
Right.
was suspended, so we need $45 on.
Ah, gotcha. Okay. That makes sense. All right, so you understand your rights and options. You understand the possible penalty for this added charge today? And are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily, understanding all of that? All right. Did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township on June 16, 2025, while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied? I will accept your plea to the added charge, dismiss the original charge. We've set aside the default and dismissed on the no proof of insurance, but on that one, you have to pay the $45 clearance fee to get your license straightened out. Understood? All right. You pay it here. Yeah, we'll collect it, and then we tell Secretary of State that you're clear. All right. What should I know before I sentence on the allow unlicensed driver to operate?
You have one more, which is in the payment plan, you need the final payment for that, Your Honor. And then she should be clear now that the no proof of insurance matter, which is also suspending her, has been addressed. So hopefully she'll have a valid license within a very short period of time. She's doing everything she can. She's not a fixed income, but she's doing everything she can to make sure she gets that.
You say she's on a payment plan here or somewhere else? All right. Can you get on one here? Because you owe us $1,000. Yeah. So go downstairs and talk about your options because we can set you up with a straight payment plan, which is money, or we can set you up with a payment plan that has some community service charity work. So we can do a little bit of both. So after I get done telling you what this one's going to cost you, go downstairs, talk to the people at the counter, just tell them Oakley sent me down here to find out what my options are for payment. Okay?
And hopefully under her balance goes down, because I believe this was in the 400s, the
The no proof insurance was $438. So 45 stays on there, but it's going to be close to 400 that comes off. So that leaves you, currently it leaves you $1,000 balance with us on other tickets, plus whatever I do on this one. Are you working? Okay. Where'd you retire from? How long were you there? Okay, okay. Anything you want me to know before I sentence you, ma'am? All right. All right, so on this file, fines and costs are $400. So that gets you back up to just under $474, which is what it was before we took the no proof off. So go downstairs, talk to them at the counter about what your options are to take care of that money. All right, good luck to you.
For those, why? Yes. We're getting the June. The 18th. There's no such a big deal on that.
We got more bodies out there?
The last two, Wiley and Mitchell were the last two that I saw.
And those are both adjournments?
No, we just pled one and we just. They usually don't get very good, right?
Right. Unless he did when he got arrested.
Well, that's what I just said. Ask his guy if he should remember if he got printed.
They're not, the no ops, that was a true no op.
Still dismiss it.
Yeah, I just want to take care of it.
Get racked up at the airport one judge, that's it, you know, nobody else out there.
Thanks.
Can you send me a file?
Are you talking to me or? Oh,
Oh, you guys are probably in something. What's that guy's last quarter?
yeah, yeah.
I laughed. First name is Tamara CD. That's how you age. It's the 20 case. Disorderly person scheduled for November 3rd. I need that pair, thanks. Bye.
Was there an McDermott on a retail fraud on Zoom this morning?
Yes.
What happened? Yeah.
That sounds right.
Did you see if I have any signs?
No, they are.
No, I don't have, I saw her on Zoom.
Right, and then I did too, and then I missed what, so I don't know if she left or.
I think she left.
Okay. Was that the
Yeah, and shot. I threw her on the break house and have been shot.
Hey, go ahead and say,
Uh-huh.
I was wondering if you could, if you have a copy of the license,
McDermott and forgot.
just so.
No.
We don't even
I
have a
only
copy.
have the records.
Okay.
She was curious when and where it was.
Yeah, she wants to see who's using it, what kind of car it is, what she got pulled over in. She just, yeah, she wants to go to the Secretary of State and maybe like.
Hey, I just sent you something that popped up on my phone. Apple ID recently used at Apple Store for $450, blah, 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 Apple Pay. Is that something I should have Susie call or is that something I ignore?
No,
I don't even do Apple Pay. Yeah, thanks. Thanks.
She better confuses me. Okay, Judge, can you give McDermott MACDER? Because she didn't. I know I didn't.
Lillian?
Yeah. We're gonna turn. Okay, it's fine. Right, well, she was in here, but, okay, all right.
What day did you put that on that? I don't care.
Which day do you want me to?
Doesn't matter, whatever you want to do.
Let's do the 20th. Or, yeah, November 20th.
Oh, November 20th. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Thanks.
Get a better grasp of what you want to do them. Ready to get on Mr. Gordon.
All right.
So for the allowing, we took the plea already.
Yep.
Makes sense.
Yep.
And for the careful.
Did I sentence him?
Yeah, wait.
Yeah, yeah. What are you doing on the airport?
He wishes to come back for us.
That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, just tried to save your trip back, but no problem. Yeah,
Yep.
Sir.
Yeah.
perfect. No problem. No problem. Yeah. All right. So what should I know before I set terms on this one?
Yeah, looks like.
He's trying to work.
Yeah, I'm my license for 3 years.
Yep.
I haven't really been no trouble with.
Yep.
Like, I'm trying.
Yeah.
I'm trying myself.
So what, the best case scenario, when are you going to start this new job?
Hopefully, I like, if the one clear and everything good, like I could go back to the airport, I could start at the first. Now, the only thing I gotta do is get something to get my badge.
Okay. All right.
They had to get something to get my badge, but as long as everything good, then I could start the first would be this Saturday.
Okay.
I'll be good, like, with income and everything.
All right. Here's why I'm hesitating. Normally with this type of charge, I order 4 days on the work program. So if you can't start before the first, you could literally, I'm going to give you 3 days work program. I'm going to give you today and tomorrow to get the job all lined up. And then I want you to do our work program Wednesday, Friday, or Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Get those 3 days done. then it's out of the way before you start the new job. So I'll do 3 days on the work program. And I don't think it'll be an issue, but tell them that you got to schedule this week.
Okay.
All right. If it's a problem downstairs, tell them to talk to me. All right. And then as far as the money, we got some late fees, warrant fee, show cause fee. I'll waive those. I'm just going to do the standard $500 on this. So do you have 500 in your pocket today? All right. So when you get down there, talk about your payment options as well. All right. So same counter, payment option discussion, and 3 days on the work program schedule. Those 3 days, you got to be here at 8 o'clock in the morning. All right. But we'll bang them out Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and be done with it. Good luck with the job.
Last thing we have is 10:25. That's gotta be the board. Heather?
Yeah.
Would that be in my box here? What is that?
Sorry.
So yeah, like I said, don't work out. You gotta go downstairs.
145 is, I'm gonna guess, a form,
Yeah.
guy on the GILS, guy on the van.
Yep. Right. So those can go down to McKenzie. Giles right here, or Giles.
All right, we'll wait patiently till what? 11.
It's scheduled at, if it's scheduled at 10:45, they were told to be here at 10:30, right? So at 11 o'clock. Thanks.
Cassini's gonna show at 11. Grab Cassini out there, if she doesn't, we'll reschedule.
Is that the one we were adjourning? Oh, thanks. I think that's how I lost the box.
Okay,
See,
I got it right here, Teresa.
Yeah.
Now, you want her to the judge.
I'm leaving. a
She wants it. Well, let's put that, she might not want it, but I know I don't.
We're on to 11.
Shut down Zoom until.